Beneath both post locations, install at least two 2-inch by 8-inch blocks, using at least 3 number 10 by 3.5-inch deck screws, penetrating through the joists at least 1.5 inches through the blocks. Screws are sold separately. Plumb and level the post using leveling shims. Secure the posts in place with appropriate fasteners, also sold separately. Install the included 2-piece trim ring around the post base. Place each trim ring half around the base of the post and press together. Rest a plank on the nose of the stairs between the mounting surfaces to which you are installing the stair rail. The thickness of the plank will determine the space between the stairs and the bottom rail. Typically, a standard 1-inch by 5-inch deck board will work. Place the panel on the plank and slide the panel up or down until the baluster spacing is even at each end. A minimum of 1 3/4 inch from each post or mounting surface to the first baluster is required. Clamp the panel to the post on either side. Adjust the panel for plumb. Once again, ensure there is sufficient clearance, minimum 1 3/4 inch measured horizontally between the first baluster hole and the post or mounting surface at each end. Trace the post onto each rail at both ends of top and bottom rails. Make 4 marks in total, being sure to mark 1/8 inch shorter to allow for the brackets. Remove the clamp stair kit from the post. Cut along all 4 angled marks on the rails. It may be useful to use a nylon strap to hold the section together after cutting. Match the angle of the stair bracket to the angle cut on the rail. Place the stair bracket on the underside of the rail. The bracket should extend past the end of the rail 1/8 inch. With a pencil, mark the 2 bracket holes on the rail. Pre-drill at those marks with a 5/32 drill bit. Attach the bracket using 2 number 10 by 1-inch screws. Use a non-impact drill with a low-medium clutch setting to avoid over-tightening the screws. Repeat this step for all 4 ends of the rail. Place the section between the posts and ensure the rails are centered on the post. Using the holes in the brackets as a guide, pre-drill both holes with a 5/32 drill bit. Attach the bracket to the post using 2 number 10 by 1-inch screws. Repeat this step for all 4 brackets. Tip: a long extension for the drill and driver bits will be useful during this step. For the bottom bracket at the bottom of the stairs, it will be helpful to have an angle drill adapter. Identify the 2 top and the 2 bottom rail end gaskets. Note, the top rail gaskets have more of a contoured shape. A number is molded into each part. Insert the rail end gaskets on each end of the rail. Place the gasket against the post above the rail and slide the gasket down until it fits into place. Apply a small amount of silicone adhesive on the underside of the post cap in the 4 corners and press the post cap onto the post.